Hi everyone, I'm Cloud. Before we begin, just a quick reminder. This video is for informational purposes only and reflects my personal views. It does not constitute financial advice. The cryptocurrency market carries high risks. Please do your own research and consult a professional advisor before investing. Any predictions or analysis mentioned in this video may not be accurate, and you are solely responsible for your investment decisions. I'm not liable for any financial losses.
Let's first review last week's market and then talk about the trend for next week. Last week was from August 24th to August 31st. Bitcoin's highest close of the week was $115,666. It touched the midline but couldn't hold. The lowest close was $107,350, which completed all of the downside targets. 2 weeks ago, we reminded that August 20th and 21st would be a weak rebound. On the 22nd, the rally was very strong, but on the 23rd, we expected weakness, and indeed, on the 23rd, it could not move higher. I have already reminded several times that Bitcoin is showing weak rebounds. As for the 24th and 25th, I mentioned last week that I was very hesitant about that judgment. So the suggestion was still to follow the day's price and indicators as the guide. Bitcoin dropped for 2 straight days, but Ethereum first made a new high on the 24th before coming down. It was just one step away from 5,000, which felt pretty frustrating. This week, Ethereum's highest close was $4,958, hitting one target. The lowest close was $4,257, which achieved 2 targets, with the second being off by 27 points. Ethereum is still much stronger than Bitcoin at the moment. Originally, I thought the chance of breaking 5,000 was very high. But now the weekly close is too low, lacking momentum. Still, we can't rule out the possibility that Ethereum might try again. So for the rebound, I conservatively see the range between 4,600 and 4,900. 5,000 is uncertain, but we will still mention it in the weekly report just in case. If Ethereum is going to push higher, it will most likely happen before September 6th. Otherwise, we may need to wait until October's market action. So this week, there isn't much else to say. From August 26th to 31st, we expected consolidation, and that's basically what happened, just moving back and forth in this area. I didn't even watch the market closely this week, took the chance to be lazy with the daily updates. Just in case, Bitcoin retested support at 106,000, but it never broke below it. Now we'll see if a rebound starts around September 1st or 2nd. I believe this wave of price action will end around September 6th because Uranus is turning retrograde, and on September 7th there will be a lunar eclipse. We need to stay cautious about these astrological signals. Next week is September 1st to September 7th. I won't read out the exact levels, I'll just post them on the screen so you can take a screenshot. But here's the key. On the 1st and 2nd, we may see a rebound, but it could end by the 3rd or 4th. Then on the 5th and 6th, weakness could return. Bitcoin needs to hold above $110,500 in order to aim higher. Ethereum needs to hold above $4,525 to target the upside. If they can't stay above those mid-levels, you need to be very clear. The upside targets won't be possible. As I've already reminded in the daily updates, Bitcoin must not fall below 105,000. If it breaks below 105,000 and can't reclaim it, then a price starting with 9 is very close. Alright, that's it for today. Weekly forecasts should never be viewed alone. They must be combined with daily and monthly charts. The daily charts fill in what the weekly might miss. I wish you all the best. May you buy at the bottom and sell at the top. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful. Send this to your friends too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.